In this video, I am going to show you how to fix overexposed video in CapCut. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is you upload your video and the timeline. This is the video that is overexposed. You can just go ahead, select it by clicking on it, then add an adjustment layer just like this. You can add the adjustment layer and then resize it to fix all the video. Now, after you have done that, just select the adjustment layer and go to this basic tab and then scroll down until you will find the exposure button and the highlight button. Drag the highlights, drag the exposure, as you can see. After that, you can also decrease the whites in the video, and you can see it is doing a significant change to your overexposed video. You can also add sharpen or clarity, and then after that, just go up until you find HSL. Click on it, then reduce brightness and saturation as well. So now the video is looking more good. You can play with the curves here as well. So let's go back to basic. Click on auto adjust as well. It will auto adjust your video and decrease the color correction. So this was how to fix overexposed video. As always, thank you for watching.